Hello students, today you are going to learn a very nice poem of your book Beehive for class ninth. The title of this poem is The Road Not Taken. It has been written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was a very well known American poet. He was born in 1874. He had a profession of farming and teaching before he became a poet. When he started writing poems, he faced a lot of problems. His poems could not be published in America, so he moved to England and stayed there for a long time. When he became a successful poet, he returned to his native country. This poem reflects this experience of his own life, how he chose a difficult path and struggled. Now, see the first stanza of the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both, and be one traveller. Long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. In the first line, yellow wood means a forest in autumn season. Generally, forest is green, but the poet wants to show the autumn season, so he has written the term yellow wood when leaves become yellow. The narrator, who is the poet himself, is a traveler. He reached a place in the forest where road was divided in two directions. He could not travel both the roads because he was one traveler. He stood there for a long time to decide which road he should choose. He looked the roads up to the place where they were bent in the bushes. Now, the second stanza. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, thou, as for that the passing there, had warned them really about the same. He saw that one road was full of grass. It means very few people traveled on that path. That road had better claim and it wanted wear. It means the road wanted that people should travel on it. Everything which was passing from there had treated with both the roads in the same way. Now the third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in lips no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. On both the roads, morning came at the same time with equal sunshine, air, etc. But the leaves fallen on one road were not crushed and turned black by the feet of the travelers. The traveler decided to take that road, yet knowing that it was traveled by very few people. It was difficult road, and the road we choose decides the next road or our future. He knew that it was doubtful, or we can say not possible, to come back and travel on other road. Now see the last stanza. I shall be telling with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took one less travelled by, and that had made all the difference. As the poet is not sure of his success on his path, he started thinking that he would be telling people in sad mood that he took the less traveled road and it changed his life. This poem compares our life with a journey. During a journey, we find different roads and we have to choose one. In the same way, we have many options and we have to choose one which we think better for our future. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.